Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen. Today we have a Jura and an 8 with us in the shop, and it had came in because of a few error codes that kept popping up during boot up. Um, After a little bit of testing, we seen that the machine was completely full of coffee, which would allow the error code to pop up because the brew unit tries to move in specific places and hit certain micro switches, and when it can't, it relieves an error 8, which means that the brew unit is not in the correct position or couldn't get into the correct position, then it will turn itself off. And so we went in there and did a full tune-up on your machine. What we did is we took off the left panel completely, just so we could get inside the brew chamber, took the entire brew unit out, replaced all the gaskets on it, cleaned up all the coffee buildup that was in there, replaced the gasket on the actual head of the brew unit, and then cleaned out the entire release valve that's at the bottom of the brew unit, and it cleaned the whole inside of the chamber, all the walls and all the buildup that was just around, and then put it back together, did a few cleaning cycles and a few descale cycles, and now we are ready to test. So we're just going to brew a quick espresso real quick. So it's going to grind, then it's going to get into position to start brewing, and it's going to start brewing. So this is older coffee, so don't worry if the crema's gone or not really there or not present at all. It's just the type of coffee that we're putting in here is quite old, and it's just test coffee. But yeah, really wanting to see water flow and see where water goes, see what type of pucks are in there, and yeah, looks great. And then just for a quick demonstration, we're going to test the hot water and test the steaming. So say I wanted to make this an Americano of sorts, I'll go over here and use the hot water function. It's going to start pumping water out of that nozzle, as you can see. Working great. Turn that off. We're going to move this aside, and then we're going to test the steam function by using or clicking the foam milk or milk foam. And although we don't have the tube that goes into the milk container, we still can use the steam just to test if it's working proper. And as you can see, working well. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.